want to be a lot more prudent, even with some of the longer term stuff you may be looking at as far as entries. You want to be a hell of a lot more prudent in regards to those entries. In other words, if a name has rallied violently pretty much in a straight line off the lows, like kind of what we're seeing with the markets, you probably want to be a little more patient and wait for weakness. Weakness will show up and look to take advantage of that weakness in a sense. I think the most bearish scenario here, even though net, a lot of the big picture stuff still looks bullish as far as positioning and sentiment, a lot of the shorter term time frame stuff has really heated up over the last couple of weeks. You run into the risk where if you overshoot to the upside on a short-term basis, a lot of times you got to pay the piper when that momentum runs out. Let me tell you what I mean by that. Again, what was going on in the market, what was going on with the Fed, what was going on in macro was completely different in 2022. So when I say the setup reminded me of 2022, I'm talking strictly on a positioning and sentiment point of view.